Hey, good morning everybody. It's about 8:30 a.m. on Thursday, and finally the first hint of the hurricane has arrived, and that would be just a steady little breeze going on with a few mini gusts happening up at the higher tree lines. This is my home out in the country. The home is pretty modest, but the land is literally a storybook setting with ponds and garages, pond and barn and all that. But it's an eerie calm before the storm feeling, and it's definitely started. And you can especially see at the top of the tree lines a steady breeze that was not there yesterday. I'll check back in a few hours and see the difference. A couple hours later, now the true breeze has kicked in. All the trees are blowing consistently, really noisy. I can tell it's gonna be crazy here. Yeah, it's about 4 o'clock, and now the trees are really moving real big at the top. And the noise from the trees is pretty loud in the backyard. So the rain just started, and wow, this is intense. I wonder how long this is going to go. It may go 2 days straight like this. This is unbelievable. Out here. Right now the wind is a little bit lower, which is pretty wild. We're probably, I don't know, I'm guessing we're at 70 miles an hour, and we still have 20 miles an hour to go, you know. My big concern is if this roof is going to get blown off. I have another shelter to go to at the finished garage guest house, which is lower to the ground. So yeah, this is insane. Even the major highways have flooding issues. I'm out of gas for my generators, so now there's hundreds of dollars of groceries I don't want to risk losing, but I'm not going to drive through this thing of water and make a fool of myself. So you have cars on the major highways literally going in the wrong direction on purpose to be functional, and that's just unbelievable. So it's tough. It's tough. Do not come back to the Wilmington area from Raleigh, etc., because we're not in a position for people to return. The roads are wiped out. There's no groceries. There's no gas. It's a mess. Unbelievable. I thought I had prepared really well, pretty well, and not good enough, because now I'm out of gas and I'm in the same boat as a lot of people.